Kita nak start kan? Dari sekali, saya kat sekali. Steve Mahabir said, plant seed of happiness, hope, success, and love. It will all come back to you in abundance. This is the law of nature. Can you guys imagine how the plant can grow? To make our life more happiness. Yahoo! Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and hi everyone. For today, we will present with you guys about the two factors of the plant growth. So I will briefly continue with introduction. Next slide. Next slide. So, what is the plant growth? Plant growth is increase in size of plant. Growth can be defined as a permanent and irreversible change in any dimension. Growth is properly employed to designate the complex of process, which is depend on many other physiological process. Three main changes occur are cell division, cell arrangement, and cell differentiation. From the main changes, actually, what is the factor of the plant growth? Next slide. So, firstly, the factors of the plant growth is the water. Next slide. This is because water can help the transpiration process of the plant and cool in the plant in hot weather. Next slide. The water is the medium to bring the essential nutrient and sugar from the soil to the plant. So this is the transpiration process. So it also keeps the cell turgid in plant and make plant more stronger with the supportive by water to the plant. Next. The water can cool down the plant in hot weather. So it is method of evaporative and turn out through heat exists. So the molecule of water have in every side of plant. When we maintain the amount of water in plant, it's easy to remove the heat from the plant. So the plant can keep cool and maintain their minimum temperature in the plant, which is 28 degrees Celsius. Next, I will pass to next presenter.
Now I will be explaining the second factor for plant growth, which is light. Light itself helps the plants in various ways, such as photosynthesis process and the development of plant. This shows light plays a vital role in keeping the plant growth healthily. So for the photosynthesis process, first and foremost, light helps the plants in photosynthesis process. Photosynthesis process, which occur produce carbohydrates and build plant structures. Most of life on Earth depends on photosynthesis carried out by plants, algae, and some types of bacteria. It can be summarized as a chemical equation where 6 molecules of carbon dioxide combine with 12 molecules of water using light energy. The equation resulted in one glucose molecule, which is the carbohydrate with 6 molecules of oxygen and 6 molecules of water. Within the plant cell, the water is oxidized, meaning it loses its electron, while the carbon dioxide is reduced, meaning it gains its electron. Plants store their energy within the glucose molecules. Moreover, plant development needs a suitable amount of light received. Plant development is a continuous process starting with embryogenesis and the formation of the primary plant body. There are two parts that can be explained, which are germination, followed by the transition to flowering and fruit ripening. Germination refers to process where organism grows from a seed or a spore. Environmental conditions must be favorable in order to support the plant growth. Most plants will germinate for about 16 to 24 degrees Celsius. As for the flowering and fruit ripening, it is a complex genetically programmed process that occurs in conjunction with differentiation of chloroplast into chromoplast. Plant cell walls are made up of cellulose microfibrils that are incorporated into a network of hemicellulose fibrils along with a network of pectins that secure the adjacent cell walls. In short, water and light are the main factors for plant growth. Water contributes in transpiration process and cooling during hot weather, whereas light is useful for photosynthesis process and the development of plant. This shows that plant needed both water and light to grow healthy and in a good condition. I think that's all from us. Thank you.